And at this juncture, you ensure that it mixes and becomes a soft dough. When it reaches a state where you see almost everything is mixed, then you put your wooden spoon aside. Put your wooden spoon aside, and then you do the mixing using your hands. This one will tell you how good or how bad your mixture is. As you continue adding water to make sure that it mixes well. And as you can see, it has already captured the yellow color of the sweet scones we usually see in the market. As you can see, the dough is coming out now. Our surface here is built of a very good steel material, which is safe and clean for preparation of your dough. So the last part of the preparation of the dough is going to be done on this wax surface. Cleaning it. So you can pick your dough, then pick your Wet-X and wipe your surface. And then finally do your finishing part of the preparation of the dough on the wax surface. And this will ensure that everything mixes quite well. For me this dough is quite ready. So the next step I'll do is get a glass bowl where I will cover it with a cloth and place it in a proofer for it to proof. But for my case this time round, I'm not going to use a proofer since it is only a small dough. Proofers are always good to use when you have large quantities of dough, as it is more economical that way. The dough, as you can see it now, is ready. The next step is you pick a clean mixing bowl and place it there, then cover it. This one will be moved to a warm place, preferably on top of some water that had been earlier on. But before you do that, ensure that you leave your wax surface very clean. You always wash your hands thoroughly. Then place your item in a warm place, preferably on top of a range. That's exactly where we are going to place it for about 15 to 20 minutes for it to cool. After which we are going to the next step, whereby we are going to portion it and put it in the baking sheet for the second round of proofing before putting it in the oven. Now the next stage is you ensure that you light your oven. Our oven is an electric oven, so it has an automatic switch. Switch it on. You come here and switch it on. Initially you put the temperature to the highest for it to heat faster. When it is ready for use, that is the time you adjust to the required temperature. And the required temperature for this particular product is 180 degrees. Okay, after some 10 to 15 minutes, our dough is ready now, as we can see here. Now we take it back to our working surface and knock it down. Now you remove it from the bowl, put the bowl aside, and then knock it down totally. After knocking it down, you roll it slightly, and then using your weighing scale, you weigh 60-gram pieces. So switch it on. As you can see, you cut into 60 grams. You weigh 60 grams, it's slightly bigger. Just ensure that you get 60 grams or slightly less or slightly more, but not a lot more. And put it aside. Splitting them into 60 grams. after cutting the